Hey guys, Ian Griffith with Keystone Fuzion, District Sales Manager for the East Coast. I'm here today to introduce you to our brand new Fuzion 421. This of course comes packed with all the standard features that you've got to know and love with Fuzion, including the Cummins Onan 5500 watt generator, the Omni-Chill air conditioner system, the Goodyear tires, all the great things that are standard on every Fuzion product. But if you come with me, I want to show you all the things that really set this floor plan apart. So like I said, our new Fuzion 421 is packed with all the features that you know and love on all of our Fuzion floor plans, including lots of smart storage solutions like our Fuzion Front Store More box. Also new for 2023, Keystone has made an incredibly important partnership with Dragonfly batteries. So all Keystone products now have available lithium-ion batteries, and they are shipping in 2023 with two 100 amp hour lithium-ion Dragonfly batteries. That works incredibly well in tandem with your SolarFlex package. This unit right here is equipped with our SolarFlex 400. That's going to make sure your lithium-ion batteries are always charged, able to operate all 12 volt systems on your camper, as well as with the 2000 watt inverter, 7 pre-wired inverted outlets throughout your Fuzion 421 and all Fuzion products. Also in our pass-through storage, you see we've got the brains of the in-command system. This is standard on every Fuzion. Also new for 2023, Fuzion exclusively has partnered with Wet Sounds to bring you the best sound system possible for the outside of your camper. We know how important that it is to be able to be entertained when you're camping, and Wet Sounds is going to make sure that you have the power behind what you want to play at your campsite to really rock the campground. The Fuzion 421 also comes with this really great external refrigerator. This is a waterproof, weatherproof refrigerator that is just fine being mounted on the outside of your camper, giving you unlimited access to drinks and snacks and anything that is important to you to keep cool and have access to in your campsite. Of course, standard on every Fuzion is the Goodyear tires, and new for 2023, we've got wet bolts to help with maintenance of your camper on our MoreRide CRE 3000 suspension system, as well as a tire pressure monitoring system, standard not only on Fuzion, but also Impact and Vaporlight. And yes, we do include a tire pressure monitor on the spare, so you always know that you are equipped and ready to hit the road. Another example of our Fuzion Smart Storage Solutions, we've got the Fuzion Utility Center here. So this is a compartment that you always have access to no matter if your garage is loaded or unloaded, but also it's a lit compartment, and there's also 110 and USB power outlets. So come on inside with me and let's check out the bones of this floor plan. So you've probably noticed that this is not a usual feature in a toy hauler garage. This is a Fuzion exclusive, patent pending currently. This is our new Fuzion Convertible Garage Bar. So not only is this a super cool bar with 4 collapsible bar stools, this also houses a queen bed, so you don't sacrifice on sleeping capacity in your Fuzion toy hauler. This queen bed and bar folds flat for the sleeping arrangement, and then also stores underneath your top Happy Jack bunk for easy garage use and making sure that you can pull all your toys in this garage when you're not using for sleeping and when you're traveling down the road, making this a great available option on all Fuzion and Impact products. So also in this 421, we feature a 13-foot garage, still with our bath and a half configuration. So inside the 421, you really start to see the features that make this such an attractive floor plan to consumers. This has a great living area with a 3-seat reclining Thomas Paine sofa, as well as your large 55-inch Jensen television, your Jensen sound bar, as well as the 5,000 BTU electric furnace and fireplace. And the real centerpiece of the Fuzion 421 is the kitchen, with ample countertop space, a raised breakfast bar, lots of smart storage solutions, including pull-out shelves, again behind cabinet doors with hidden soft close hinges, extra overhead storage, all the great Fuzion appliances, the stainless steel convection oven microwave, stainless steel refrigerator, and the large Suburban cooktop and oven is really what makes this 421 a great floor plan for people who love to entertain and people that want as many creature comforts as possible on the road. So in the bedroom platform of all Fusions, you're gonna find our 80-inch long king bed with significant underbed storage, as well as washer dryer prep in the bedroom. It's important to us to include that washer dryer prep in the bedroom, and that benefits you a couple ways. First of all, it means that it gets it out of the garage, so your customer or you who needs all 13 feet of this 421 garage gets to take advantage of that without sacrificing any space to a washer dryer. Additionally, the washer dryer prep being in the bedroom means that you can run a vented dryer, just like you would in your home. Thanks so much for coming and checking out the Fuzion 421 with me. Remember, like and subscribe on our YouTube channel, and if you have any questions, visit us at keystonerv.com.